What the fuck is we doing?
What's going on, everybody? This is your boy, of course, Tom Monty, and welcome to another episode of Kicks Konvo. Now, a lot of you guys may not know what Kicks Konvo is, but it's a podcast to where we absolutely talk about shoes that released the day before, and that way you can listen to this podcast on your way to work, on your way to school, coming from work, coming from school, or if you just laid up and you just want to listen to a podcast that absolutely is a opinion-based podcast and factual information, because I'm giving you my opinions about the shoe, but I'm also giving you facts as well that comes with the shoe. So if you want to listen to a podcast, this might be the right podcast for you. And also go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe for your boy. Let's go ahead and move into the episode. Yep. I'm just playing with you guys. Hope you guys are having a marvelous day. In today's episode, we will be talking about the Travis Scott's Nike Air Max 270 React Cactus Trails. Now, me, quite honestly, you guys, I am not fucking feeling these shoes, bro. These shoes are ugly and hideous. I honestly do not like these shoes. They are trash. So I'm going to be dissing these shoes the whole episode, but I'm also going to be giving this respect because it is a Travis Scott model, and they have honestly been populating Travis Scott shoes. We have the Jordans, the Jordan 4s, the low top Jordan 1s. We had the Nike, shit. See, that's how I know it's just too much to keep up. I think we had an SB. Then we also had an Air Force Ones, and now we get in the Air Max the 270 Reacts. Man, come on now. Nike, y'all are doing too much with Travis Scott. Please move forward with another host or another brand style artist. Please move on. There's plenty of artists out there that can design shoes. Now, moving forward, the shoes, the midsoles is orange. The bottoms is like a sky blue. So the blue that I'm thinking about, if you was to compare these shoes with this blue that I'm about to tell you guys, are like the I would say like the Pure Monies, the Jordan 3s that we had like in 2017, and also the Dior shoes that came out, and the lightest blue colorway of Air Jordan 1. So that's the type of bottoms you should be expecting. The toe area, brown, shitty brown, and then it's like a majestic, like, the middle of the shoe is like a majestic off-white type of brand. Then you got the Nike on the side, like a cactus. But I mean, it's just like, honestly, if I was to get this shoe, which is going to be a high if I was to get this shoe, then yeah, I was gonna sit on it and try to sell it as much as possible. But by this being one of the worst shoes, I think that these shoes are going to probably be like them Vapors that Off-White did with Nike with the little spikes tips at the bottom. I'll probably just throw a picture up here so y'all know what I'm talking about. Those are like the lowest Off-White shoes that you can get. And honestly, I'm thinking that these are going to probably be the ones. If you missed out, you don't have the ones, you don't have the 4s, you don't have the SBs, you don't have the Air Force Ones. These may be the cop for you to get for retail or resell, just depending on how hungry you are to add a Travis Scott into your collection. Like I said in my last video, yeah, actually, now I'm thinking about it, y'all got a double header this week. Y'all are doing good. Your boy been putting out content, you guys. Like, I have been putting out content. So I just went ahead and just wanted to give you guys just something to honestly just talk about. So comment down below if you feeling this shoe. Subscribe to the channel if you're not feeling this shoe. If you like this shoe, go ahead and put a thumbs up for your boy. But honestly, I'm not really feeling these shoes, so I don't really have that much to say about it. What's your opinions? Like, how do you feel about it? Do you think that this shoe is absolutely going to sell out? Me, honestly, it's going to sell out because it is Travis Scott's. Granted, the resale value may not be that high because, like I said, and like I just said a couple minutes ago or a couple seconds ago, this is going to probably be like the low version of like them Air Maxes that I just posted once again for you right here. So I think that this is going to probably be like the low end of the shoe, so that way it's not a silhouette from the Air Max section, but it's like, it's not like the high ones. Like if it was a 95, a 98, a 97, or a 96, you know, this is like one of like them futuristic color silhouettes. So they just like, you know, like, yeah. So like, not too many resellers maybe trying to hit you over the head. May not, maybe. Don't take my word for it. You never know who you buying your shoes from and what are their price that they're sticking down for. So, but yeah, like that's honestly what I gotta say about these, you guys. Like, I mean, I'm not really feeling it. Like, hey, you know, I'm just like shooting shit with these shoes. Like, no guns loaded like I was with the Ben and Jerry's low chunky dunky. But with these shoes, I mean, it's all right. You know, if I so happenly to spring up on this shoe with going to check my sneakers out, because this shoe is releasing May the 29th of 2020. The retail price is $170. And yeah, you can go ahead and purchase your shoes off of your sneakers app or wherever you go ahead and purchase your shoes from. So, moving forward, that's all I got to say about these shoes. Let me know down in the comment section how you feel. And this is your boy, Ty Monty. Hope you guys have enjoyed another episode of Kicks Convo. Please go ahead and subscribe. Like, we do stuff like this on a day-to-day basis. You haven't had a double upload from your boy. I'm going crazy with these Kicks Combos. I love you guys. Can't wait to see y'all in the next video.